Hi friends, this is Nitish. So in this video we will learn how to install SQL Server step by step. Before installing SQL Server, I would like to tell you something about SQL Server. That is, installing SQL Server is not a one thing. Uh, these are two separate things. How? Two separate things are SQL Server, which is our database engine, and second one is SQL Server Management Studio. So first thing that we are calling SQL Server, which is our database engine, is actual database engine where we store our data, we create tables, procedures, views, functions, and indexes. All SQL processing happens in the background. So the important point is SQL Server works like a service in the background. We can't see it normally like a normal application. For example, let's take an example of a car. Okay, directly we cannot see the engine of a car, right? So it is hidden. So I show you the SQL Server which is running in the background. So what we need to do is we have to go in services. Now here you can see MS SQL Server, which is my service, which is my SQL Server, which is my database engine, is running in the background, but I cannot see it directly like a UI. Okay, and for the UI purpose, what we need to do is we need to install SQL Server Management Studio. SQL Server Management Studio is a tool where we connect with SQL Server. It means we connect with our database engine. There we write queries, run SQL queries, create databases and tables, and overall thing is view data in user-friendly way. So SQL Server Management Studio does not store the data. It only help us to talk with SQL Server. I'll show you how it looks like SQL Server Management Studio. So I have downloaded SQL Server Management Studio 22. Okay, let's connect with database. So this is my server name that we gave at the time of installation, and so I don't need to rewrite it because I have already put it my server name, and I have given the encryption which is my trust server certificate. Okay, if I connect now, so you will see I'm able to connect SQL Server Management Studio. So in this video we will learn how to install SQL completely. Okay, so friends, let's move to the first part, which is our SQL Server. So to download the SQL Server, we need to go Google and just simply type SQL Server free download. Click on the first link. This is our official site of Microsoft. We can see here SQL Server 2025 Express, and you can see also a download now button. So click on download now button. As you click on it, an exe file will be downloaded, and the exe file will populate in your downloads folder. So next is you have to double click on it, or so that setup will start. You have to give the permission yes, and now you can see three different options. So you need to select custom option in the SQL Server 2025. As you can see, it is automatically taking C drive location. So this simply click on install button. As soon as you click on install button, the package files will start downloading, so it will take some time. As you can see, uh, the setup package have been downloaded successfully. So what you need to do is next is click on yeah, the first link or the first one option, new SQL Server stand alone installation or add features to an existing installation. Click on it. As soon as click on it, the SQL Server installation is started. Once the installation is started or setup is started, so you need to provide your acceptance for the license terms. So click on it and click on next button. Again you need to click on next button. Again you need to click on the next button. Now because we are not dealing with Azure this time, so let's uncheck this option and click on next button. So if you want to keep the local DB, so you can check it and click on next button. Here you can see where or which in which root directory your SQL Server is being installed. Click on next button. Now you can keep the name as per your requirement or default option is recommended. Now click on next again and click on next button. Now the installation progress is going on. So guys, as you can see, installation is successful. Okay, our SQL Server has been installed successfully. Okay, so to verify it, what you need to do is just press Window plus R, so that and type services.msc and click OK. As soon as you do it, okay, so you can see all the services which is running in your laptop. Click on any service and then press S so that you can see all the services which is starting from S. So here you can see SQL Server, MS SQL Server is running. This service is running as I told you earlier, SQL Server is a database engine. It works like a service. It does not looks like a normal application. In the next video, we will see how to install SQL Server Management Studio step by step.